Washington West African Center invites you to the 3rd Annual Sounds of Africa Festival 3.0 at the Garfield Park in Everett on Saturday from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. The 3rd Annual Sounds of Africa Festival aims to create a harmonious gathering where people from various communities in Washington can come together to immerse themselves in the rich and authentic culture and traditions of Africa, foster diversity, promote peaceful coexistence, and facilitate meaningful business exchanges between the African community in Washington and other communities. Attendees will have the invaluable opportunity to explore traditional African cuisines, fashion, and music. Just like last year, Sounds of Africa Festival 3.0 will be filled with fun and various entertainment activities, such as a fashion show to showcase African clothing, a dance competition, captivating live music performances by various African bands and artists, including Pabobo Jobate, the Kweate Arts, Selassie Soldiers, Wawak Bidu Choir, and more, all for free of charge. There will also be vendors of different types of food, clothing, arts and crafts, and other businesses. Other community partners will be present to sell, display, or give away different products and services. This is your opportunity to try different African food and a lot more. Whether you own a restaurant, a grocery store, real estate business, hair salon, beauty supply store, or any other type of business, this is the perfect place to promote your business or sell your products to over 1,000 people, including Africans and the greater Washingtonian community, for free of charge. To sign up for one of our booths, fill out a vendor application form